All right, guys, two stock G's here, also known as Cody Does Not. I'm here currently. I was working on my car maintenance. I did all that. I'll show you guys later. But this part was right here, like it was on the hub, and then I just took the steering wheel off. I'll show you the best way to do this. Make sure you do not put this cruise control. Make sure you do not put it on your steering wheel, because when you take the steering wheel off, cruise control cords are going to be pulled with the steering wheel. So you want to take your hub off, connect your cruise control. You want to connect your cruise control to right here. I'm gonna see if I can do it without taking this off, but if I can connect it in there, you just feed it through, feed it below, and then I'm gonna put this on there. So right here is about your dead center. So that's all right, guys, I got this on. So actually there's a manual when you buy these, but I didn't use them, and I just realized so now, because I was wondering how to wire this up. And where is it? Right here. When you buy it, it comes with this. Search it up and it'll pop up on the Z1. It'll show up our shit. But what you want to do is you want to put these spaces on the back, put the screws through, and then bada beam, and then boom, you want to throw your main hub back on. So if I'm not wrong, you want to connect this, and then where the fuck is my hub? Oh, it's on my steering wheel. Ah, shit, it's all the way over here. Hold up. And then after that, you just want to align this up. You want to take this piece off, and you want to have this in between. You want to have this in between. So every time you spin, it goes with it. And if you were to take the steering wheel off, it doesn't pull it off. So you want it in between these. Only reason why I had it like this, so I could pull the steering wheel off. But all right, guys. Yeah. As you can see, I have carbon fiber cover ones. I was gonna put that on, but I just installed them. And yeah, everything works. Everything's fine. There's these little indents, but I'm gonna show you guys. You take this completely off, you run the wire through this, or through the hub first, and then you connect it in, and then you put the hub in, put it right, and then align this with the same mark. So right here, there's like a, you see this dial? This is top dead center for these two. See, this is the center of these two, and the notch is facing this way. So if you want them parallel, go ahead. If you want to crooked, I don't give a fuck. But yeah, let me show you guys. This is the complete, and then you got the 3 rivets right here. You got 3 on the top, and boom, that's basically how it's gonna be. But yeah, shit fire. I'm about to try them, turn on the car. I just did oil change and coolant bleeder valve. But yeah, this is a quick little video on this. That's pretty much it. And then this is, pretty sure this is compatible with any hub on the market. NRG, whatever this fucking brand is. I bought this with the car, so